Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So in this video, we are going to set up our lab. As an ethical hacker, if you want to perform hacking or test your system security controls, you need to have a lab, right? So in this video, we are going to set up our lab. So as of now, we are all installed Windows operating system or base, right? So on top of it, if you want to run Kali, you need to have a software called VirtualBox. So using a virtualization technology, so we can install VirtualBox. On top of VirtualBox, we can run any one of the operating system. Not only one. So how many operating systems you want to install, you can install. So depends on your system speed. So you can install and you can run that many operating systems at a time. Okay. Now I'll show you how to download that VirtualBox and how to set up lab in this video. Okay, let's open your browser. So in that browser, first we need to download VirtualBox software. So the VirtualBox website name is virtualbox.org. So the website name is virtualbox.org. If you hit enter, it will open VirtualBox main website. Okay. So this is the VirtualBox website. And if you scroll down, there you have an option called download VirtualBox 7.0. Okay. If you click on that big button, so it will redirect to another page. So it will redirect to downloads page. So if you scroll down, so here it is showing VirtualBox 7.0.18. This is the current version. So platform packages. So on which platform you're planning to install? So mine is Windows. I'll go with Windows host. If you're using Mac, you can go with Mac. If you're using Linux, you can go with Linux. Okay, so my base system is Windows. So I'll download for Windows host. See, it is downloading here. All right. And then along with that, we can also download one more file that is called VMware extension pack. So you may ask why we need to install this one. So to run VirtualBox properly, so we need to have this extension package. So it requires any kind of additional packages to be run. So it will add all those packages. So just simply download this extension pack also. So it is same for all platforms. Okay, even if you download for Mac, Windows, Linux, doesn't matter. Extension pack is same for all platforms. So click on this all supported platforms. See, it's downloaded. Okay, so we downloaded the base panel. Now we need to download the now we need to download operating system. Okay, so which operating system we want to install? Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is a very popular hacking operating system. So it contains all the hacking tools pre-built. So you don't need to install any tools from the outsource. So obviously we'll get all the tools in Linux by default. Okay. All right. So now let me open the Kali website, official website, kali.org. So my Kali website is open. Now I want to download the Kali operating system, right? So let me click on download. So you have two options here. One is manual installation and second one is automation installation. So if you want manual installation, you can go with installer image. If you want automation, you can select virtual machines. Okay. So virtual machines like automation installation, very easy. Just you need to double click. That's it. But in case if you are recruited as a security analyst or security pen tester, so that time they won't allow these kind of automation tools. Maybe your company will not allow. So that time you need to go with installer. So that's why I'll show you how to install Kali Linux with installer images. Okay, so select this installer images. Now here you can see, so I want to download 64-bit, so I am choosing 64-bit. And so this is the installer Kali Linux 2024.2. This is the latest version. So click on download, it will download the file. See, it's downloading. It's around 4 GB. So anyway, I already downloaded this file because of the recording. So it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete this download. So to speed up our job, so I already downloaded this one. So it is stored in my downloads location. I use this file to install. Okay. All right. Nothing to download anything here. So just we need to install the softwares. First, we need to install VirtualBox software. So I already downloaded. So where it is stored? So all downloaded files are stored in downloads location, right? See, here we have VirtualBox 7.0.18, Windows supported software. So just we need to double click. So it's giving pop-up. Do I need to install or not? Yes, I need to install. Click on S. So then it's giving a pop-up to start the setup. Just we need to click next, next, S, install. Simple. Next, S, install. That's it. It will install the VirtualBox software. And here you can see VirtualBox icon is there. It's downloaded and it's installed successfully. So let me uncheck this box. Let me finish this installation. So my installation is completed. Now, so we also downloaded one extension pack, right? So we need to load it. So simple. We just need to double click the file. See, it is giving a pop-up and here it is showing reinstall because I already installed this package. So that's why it's showing reinstall. From your side, it will show install. Click on install. So here they are giving the license details. You can read if you have time. So I agree after that. So click on S. So my extension package is also installed in VirtualBox. So this is the interface of VirtualBox. So you may see here, I have these many missions already configured, but these are my older missions I configured previously. That's why by default, I got these missions. From your side, it is blank. You don't need, like, you don't have all these missions because I already installed previously. That's why I'm getting these missions. Okay. All right. So this is the interface. So here we have some options. Using of these options, we're going to create Kali Linux operating system. Okay. So, and along with that, I already downloaded my Kali. So I'll show you here. This is the image, Kali Linux installer mission. So after downloading that, it will show you like that. Okay, I already downloaded this. So that's why I didn't download it. Okay, I already have the file. So I want to install this OS. Close it. Okay, so let me open VirtualBox. Now here we have an option called new. If you click on new, so it will give you a pop-up. So here, first it will ask name. So you need to set a name for mission. So here you can see I given Kali Linux, VM, Meta 2, Kido, Scorpion, Kido, Windows 7, Attacker. Like that, you need to give a mission name. So let me give here online. So this is my mission name. I given online as a name. So folder. So where we need to install all this operating system. So in my system, I want, like, I'm storing in C drive, users, Ramji in VirtualBox VMs. Okay. So I'll go with the default one. I don't want to change. Okay. Next, it is asking ISO image. We already downloaded that on kali.org website. So we need to choose that one. So click on this drag down menu and select others, and where it is saved in downloads location. So if I scroll down, here it is showing Kali Linux. So let me select the file Kali Linux 2024.1 and click on open. So my machine is loaded here. Okay. Then click on next. So here, so it's asking to give the RAM and processors. Okay. To run a system, here we are creating a mission, right? So definitely we need to give RAM. So here I'm giving 2 GB RAM. 2 GB is more than enough. So if you have, like in my system, I have 16 GB. So I can give 4 to 10 GB. It's up to my choice. So anyway, so Kali Linux required 2 GB. 2 GB is more than enough. Here I'm giving processors 2. Okay. All right. So click on next. Then it is asking hard disk. We need to create a virtual hard disk. So in the previous step, we created virtual RAM and virtual CPUs. Here we are creating virtual hard disk. So let me give 45 GB or 46 GB. It's more than enough. So click on next. So please check here. So did you configure all the options correctly? Or if you want to change, you can go to back and you can change it. So mine is everything okay. Now I'll click finish. So after clicking the finish, see here, online mission is created. So we are not done yet. So we need to do some more settings. We need to change. So click on settings option here. So here we are in general. In general, so Kali is a Linux operating system. So here it is choose Linux automatically, but version is different. It's not Ubuntu. It's Debian operating system. So we need to look for Debian. Yeah, it is Debian 64-bit. So here it is Debian 64-bit. So we need to choose this option. Select it. Okay. Then go to network. So by default, so it will take NAT network. So we need to change to bridged adapter. So if you change bridged adapter, you'll get the IP from direct your router. Okay. What are the Wi-Fi router you have? That from that router you'll get the IP if you set it bridged adapter. Or if you select NAT, so it will create a router itself to the mission. Okay. So I don't want to go to with NAT. I want to go with bridged adapter. Select it. Everything is clear until this point. So just click OK. So my machine is ready to launch now. So online machine is ready. Now just we need to click start. So it will start my Kali. So powering up VM. See, my VM is started here. So here we are going with graphical installation. So let me choose it. So if you're getting these type of error messages, just click on this message. So it will close the error messages. So first, it is asking language. Which language you need to have. So I want I want English language in my Kali. So I select English here. Click on continue. So here it is asking country. So I am from India. So I choose India. Continue. Then it is asking the keyboard configuration. So I want to go with American English. Okay. Click on continue. So it is detecting medias like we already attached that Kali Linux file, right? It is detecting that installer. And in that installer, some components are there. So that components, it is loading. So now it is detecting network. See what network is identified. So here it is asking host name. So host name means system name. Okay. So I'll go with Kali because I'm creating Kali OS, right? Kali operating system I am installing. So if you want to change, you can change. No worries. Okay. So I'll go with default one, Kali. And now it is asking domain name. So if you have any domains available, so you can configure the domain name here. So I don't have any domain names. So I'll go blank. Now it is asking user account name. So here I'll go with Kali only. So now it is asking username. So it creates an account in Kali. So which name you want to set? So I don't want to Kali. So I want to change the name like attacker is my username and click on continue. Then here it is asking password. I'll go with magic 123. So let me confirm it. So magic 123. Same password I'll give again. Magic 123. So let me check. So same, both are same passwords. So click on continue. Now it is setting up the clock. Now it is detecting hard disk we created, right? Now it is partitioning my hard disk. So it is starting a partitioner. So if you want to perform any kind of partitions, you can perform. So here I'm going with guided use entire disk. I want to use entire disk. I don't want to split my hard disk. Okay. So let me go with entire disk. And here it is showing hard disk I created. Okay. So click on continue. Now it is asking, do I need to save files separately or do I need to save files in all in one partition? So here recommended option is all files in one partition. I'll go with recommended option. Click on continue. Okay. So it's asking to finish. Yeah, I want to finish the hard like partitioning. So click on continue. So it will complete. Now it is confirming, like it's asking actually. So do I need to go with the settings? So if I go with the settings, so if you have any files in your hard disk, it will be removed. Freshly, I need to install OS. It is asking. So go with. So let me check yes. So it will install that operating system and it will clean first entire hard disk. It will format it. Then it will install OS. So if I choose yes and it will format all. So if you click no, so installation will be cancelled. So I want to install. So I choose yes. Continue. Then now it is installing the base system. Actually, it requires some time based on the RAM you given and based on the CPUs you given. So it will go fast. So if you give more RAM, more CPUs, it will install very fastly. Okay, it will take some time. We need to wait. So my base system installation is almost done. Yeah, it's configuring that Linux image. My base system installation is done, but here my package, like what are the software it contains on the operating system, all the all the softwares. So it is loading now. See, it's loaded. So desktop environment, Kali default desktop environment, and collection of tools like hacking tools. It's come with up, right? So we need to check this option. Top 10 top 10 most popular tools and recommended tools. So by default, it's choosing automatically. So if you want to add this KDE and Xenom also, you can add. But for practicing hacking, so these options is more than enough. Okay. So click on continue. Now, what are the options you selected? So all devices it's retrieved first. So it's around 2,537 packages there. So it will load. Then after that, after loading all these packages, it will unzip those packages and it will install all the packages. Okay. So 1 second, I'll show you that. So let it complete. So installing the softwares will take around 20 to 30 minutes, or sometimes it will take 1 hour also. So it depends actually. It depends on your system speed. So if I show you my task manager, see here, my 8 GB RAM is using in the background. CPU 27% using. So I have 16 GB. In 16 GB, it is using entire 8 GB, 8.5 GB. Okay. So see all packages loaded. So now here you can observe. So it is unpacking the tools and as well as installing the tools. So this stage, it will take, I think so, 30 to 40 minutes. So I don't want to waste your time. So I'll pause the recording here. So after it is completing, I'll continue the recording. So please wait. So let me pause the recording. So guys, you can see my installation is completed. Now we need to select the bootloader. So if I need to choose group bootloader, you need to select yes. So let me choose yes and click on continue. So here we need to select the hard disk. So actually in hard disk, OS is installed, right? So we need to select hard disk to load. Click on continue. I think it will, now it's done. So if I click continue, it will restart my PC, my Kali. So then I can access my Linux interface. See, I continued. So it is restarting. Now it's done. Okay, let me enter my username. Let me enter the password. Click on login. Now, my username is attacker, right? And password is magic123. Okay, if I click login, okay, don't forget the username and password. If you forgot them, so you need to remove the Kali and you need to reinstall the Kali. Okay, so successfully I installed my Kali operating system. See here. So if you click on this dragon symbol, you have all the tools here: information gathering tools, vulnerability assessment tools, web application, database, password attacks, wireless attacks, reverse engineering. So all the hacking tools pre-built come with Kali. You need to install any tool. So like the way you can install your Kali Linux and you can set up the lab. So if you want to shut down, just click on the symbol, click on shutdown. Yeah, that's it. So like that we can install our lab setup. So I hope you guys like this video and this is all for the video and bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video.